Are the Apple AirPods Pro 2 still the best wireless earbuds you can buy in 2026? With so many new earbuds on the market promising better sound, longer battery life and more features, you might be wondering if Apple's popular AirPods Pro 2 are still worth your money. Today we're putting them to the test. We'll look at sound quality, active noise cancellation, comfort, gym performance, battery life, and whether they're still one of the best wireless earbuds for men in 2026. Great when you're on the go and need to watch the World Cup 2026. Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice about the AirPods Pro 2 is how comfortable they are. They are lightweight, fit securely, and come with multiple ear tip sizes to help you find the perfect fit. Whether you're commuting and watching the World Cup 2026, traveling, working from home, or heading out for a run, they stay comfortable for long periods without causing ear fatigue. For many people, comfort alone is one of the biggest reasons they continue to choose AirPods Pro 2. From morning coffee to late-night edits, these feel natural and easy to forget in your ear. The slim case slips into any pocket, and they pair instantly across Apple devices for seamless use. One of the standout features is the active noise cancellation. If you're on a busy train, sitting in a noisy office, or working out in a crowded gym, these earbuds do a fantastic job of blocking out unwanted background noise. Switch on ANC and the city hushes, traffic fades, keyboards soften, and focus returns to your music or task. Sound quality is equally impressive. Music sounds rich and detailed, vocals are clear, and the bass is strong without being overpowering. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, YouTube videos, or audiobooks, the listening experience feels premium. Apple's transparency mode is also excellent, allowing you to hear your surroundings without taking the earbuds out. For runners and gym users, the AirPods Pro 2 perform extremely well. They're sweat-resistant, lightweight, and stay securely in place during workouts. Bluetooth connectivity is reliable, meaning fewer interruptions while exercising. Burpees, sprints, heavy sets. No constant readjusting. The tips grip, the stems balance, and they simply stay put as you move. Call quality is another major strength. Voices sound clear, and the microphones do a great job reducing background noise during business calls or conversations on the move. Battery life is more than enough for most users, comfortably lasting through workdays, workouts, and travel. So, are AirPods Pro 2 still the best earbuds in 2026? If you're looking for premium sound, excellent noise cancellation, reliable battery life, and outstanding comfort, the answer is yes. They may not be the cheapest earbuds available, but they remain one of the most complete packages on the market. Would you buy the AirPods Pro 2 in 2026? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other gadget reviews here on Men on the Move.